teachers use short investigations to assess how well students have mastered basic concepts and skills. Primary source. The teacher may ask students to interpret, describe, calculate, explain, or predict. These investigations may use enhanced multiple choice questions or they may use concept mapping, a technique that assess how well students understand relationships between concepts. Among concepts pala. Yun. Papaliwanag ba? Okay, so short of investigation. So this has been prepared by the teachers. Minsan ay parang meron diyang mga questionnaires to assess whether or not the students understood the lesson being discussed. Tapos mag-interpret din sila, yung mag-explain. So, by that short investigations, yung magiging outcome nun will be, the teacher will be basing the assessment whether the student nga is natuto or not. Whether they will still need some removal learning, yung parang gayon, yung parang kung kailangan bang i-repeat ang topic. So, that is short investigations.
Kung scripted ako,